Okay, here we have inside the B-Twin electric bike battery. This is a bike I've swapped for some other stuff. So we have Samsung cells. They are the Samsung RCR 26J cells, so 5,200 milliamp hour discharge rate. There's 4 of them for 20.8 amp hour discharge. This is a 36 volt battery pack, 10 amp hours or 10.4 amp hours if you want to get technical. As you can see, it's a home build by somebody. You see these traditional plastic spacers which keep the cells apart, which is very nice. Nickel strip on there, spot welded together. We're probably one of those dodgy Chinese spot welders that I've had before, but hey, it was obviously working at the time when he done this. I had to modify mine to stay working. The tri-out kept bloody dying. There's a BMS. You see how it's all hooked up on here. The other corresponding wires the other side, so all the parallels are hooked up to the BMS. XT60. I'm guessing that's an XT60 connector. Yeah, it is. Not XT90. My big ones are XT90. I can't remember the name of this connector. JS something, I think it is. It's used on RC car batteries quite a lot. That's the charge connector. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Happy with that. For a home built battery, nothing wrong with that at all. Well done. Definitely a good one there. That concludes the video of this battery from the B-Twin. I don't even want to offend the guy, I just look it apart sort of thing, but you have to look inside some of these things. You never know what you're going to find. I've seen batteries with no BMS connected. I've seen cells that are uneven, old laptop cells or whatever else, and no BMS connected. So I just thought I'd have a look inside it. I'll tape it all back up. What I'd like to get is some of that heat shrink stuff, the real large format heat shrink. If anyone knows where you can get that, put a link in the doobly-doo. I'm in the UK, by the way, so it needs to be UK available. That concludes this video. See you later.